Hello, in this video we want to talk about transferring the program and when we don't have the HMI software and transfer the HMI program to the laptop that doesn't have HMI related software. Now we want to transfer the HMI program from this laptop that has HMI software to this laptop that doesn't have HMI software and transfer the program on the HMI using this laptop. We use this method when we want to not provide the source of the information to the user. First, we select this simple program for file section, create download exit file section. From this section, we select the destination that we want to save. And from this part, we put the name of this file and click on create. Now this program is saved in the file with the X format. Uh, this is the file saved for me. Now we transfer this file into the flash. Now we connect this flash to this laptop. Now if we want to transfer this file on HMI, we double click on it and we click on the OK option. Sometimes an error will be displayed to you, which will be resolved if you repeat the same process again. Now it has an error, we have a double click once more. Now if we look at the HMI, there is no program in the HMI. Now if we double click again and click OK, the program will be transferred to the HMI. Now using this element, the output is activate. According to the program inside the PLC, these changes are made. That works well, and we can also disable the output. So inside the DubSoft software, we clicked on Create Download Exit File option here. Just pay attention not to delete the exit file format in this section. We saved it in a folder and we transfer the program to the another laptop using a flash and transfer it to the HMI using a cable. Use this method when we don't want to provide the source of the program to the employer. If you have any question, ask in the comments. Thanks.